यार मेरा सुपरस्टार। वेलकम टू यार मेरा सुपरस्टार। माय नेम इज संगीता एंड यार आज मैं क्या कहूँ इन दोनों के बारे में। दोनों ही काफ़ी काबिल हैं। मतलब एक रोल अगर झपक लिया इस एक्टर ने, मतलब ही डज फुल जस्टिस टू इट। यू डोंट इवन फील दैट ही इज एक्टिंग। एंड द लेडी, oh my god, is gorgeous and now she's a part of this film which is called Kabil. Hrithik Roshan and Yami Gautam, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Thank you so much and thank you for your kind words.
And how, मतलब the buzz is crazy. जब से ट्रेलर आया है, you know, everybody wants to watch the film. Everybody has like an opinion. Everybody is like, oh my god, ये पहली बार ऋतिक ने और यामी ने कुछ अलग ढासू कर डाला है। तो कैसा रहा है?
अच्छा रहा है. I'm happy to hear that. मेरे ख्याल से a film has its own destiny. I think sometimes things just fall into place.
Absolutely.
And we are happy that you know. I think we somewhere there is a kind of you know, a feeling in the heart when you're doing the film. The feeling is there that you're doing something special here.
Right.
And that gets added on when the people you're working with also, you know, have it like keeps building.
The same vibe.
The same vibe, and you just start seeing the shots, and something special starts happening, and it just keeps adding, and then you realize, you know, it just had its. There was a destiny to this whole thing.
I need to know कि कितना टाइम लगा स्क्रिप्ट के लिए हाँ कहने के लिए यामी?
I think
मुझे 5 सेकंड.
5 सेकेंड?
एक सेकंड के अंदर कुछ होता है तो वो
This was like fastest man,
Fastest.
fastest you've said yes to a script, Hrithik.
I think most of the films, I think all the films of mine which have actually done well, I have signed in like in 1 second. Like the
ये
narration gets over and my hand goes up and I say, this is it. I
You know,
have to do
कितना
this.
प्रेशर है अभी डायरेक्टर्स को जो इस वक्त ये देख रहे हैं कि एक 5 मिनट के ब्रैकेट में ऋतिक रोशन।
But you know, he's a guy. He's actually goes a lot as an co-actor. I can definitely say believes a lot in his instinct, and the first instinct I think which comes, I think he goes by that. And he's very honest about it, and it's
Superb.
seldom wrong. I have not seen it going wrong.
I like that.
It goes wrong, and that's also good. When it goes wrong, you get to learn, no?
Obviously, if you don't like make mistakes, how will you learn
Exactly.
ever? I remember Sanjay जो है, he was like very first, बहुत time लगा ice break करने के लिए, and यही था कि यार ऋतिक काफी जानता है, so he might just tell me. But how did you get like that comfort level, both of you? कैसे develop किया?
एक बार मैंने choose कर लिया है कि I want to do this, and I know that this is my director, this is the script, this is the film. उसके बाद I surrender. I surrender to my director. वो जो director हैं, then he becomes my friend, he becomes my guide, he becomes somebody I can argue with, he becomes my everything. Then I, you know, work hand in hand. You know, so and I love जब communication जब is free and open, is very healthy. You know, so I enjoy when I can communicate.
Right.
I can say what I want to say, and the director or my co-actor can say whatever she or he wants to say, and that's the healthiest way to make a film.
ये जो रोल है काफी challenging रहा है for both of you क्योंकि you've not played visually impaired in any of the movies. But Hrithik Roshan, your eyes, yeah, so many people देखकर ही flat हो जाता है. Right now also Hrithik is just staring at me and I'm like falling in love again with him. But no, but seriously, how do you emote? आप कैसे कर रहे हो ये? Light आ रहा है, चीजें जा रही आजू बाजू में, action हो रहा है, you can't blink. तो ये थोड़ा अजीब नहीं लगा, difficult नहीं लगा?
Difficult था, but as far as the emotions are concerned, I think the human emotion will radiate through some part of your body in some way,
Including eyes.
including eyes. So if you don't use your eyes, it will come out through your hands, it will come out through your presence, it will come out. So if you're feeling, our job is to just feel it, and it will come out. So whether I'm playing a quadriplegic or you know, if you can't use your hands but you're feeling the emotion, it'll come out on your face, it'll come out extra. You know, it'll compensate your body, your muscles and all that will compensate for if it can't come out from here, it will find its way, and it will come out. So I don't think we had that fear that we can't use our eyes the way we use them in
Really?
We
our
just
films.
had to be the character, and actually
Yeah.
it's quite a notion that, you know, you've got to be stiff and or you should be restricted in any way. Not at all. Rohan and Supriya, like
No, normal.
they're normal. They work. They're independent.
And that is the truth.
Yeah.
That is the world. That is what we have seen. The
And
blind
that's not
friends that we have met.
stereotypical, है ना? तो मतलब I'm glad कि
Stereotypical is
आपने
not
ये
at
नहीं चश्मा पहन के हमेशा, you know.
Stereotypical is a lie, and that lie has, I think, been projected by our films only. True. We are only responsible.
That's the first thing I thought. That is
Yeah,
not.
this is not blind. Nobody, no blind person is like this.
And you should
Arey
see
bhai, thoda help
what
karo.
all they do. They're all out there. They're just
It
so
is
much to
incredible.
share. What all
There
they
are blind
do.
photographers, there are blind bodybuilders, lawyers,
Wow.
CEOs of a company that makes millions.
I actually
they're-
saw blind girls giving makeup tutorials on YouTube, and that's how I got a little just okay. This is what we can do in the makeup to be as close, as authentic as possible. So it's very real.
So, superb. And you're a dubbing artist. So that is such a cool thing because we
Yeah.
also play with our voice all the time. And मतलब यामी गौतम ने तो इतने सारे languages में movies कर लिया, तो master कर लिया इन्होंने.
believe so.
But seriously, how was that process? क्या
Difficult,
seriously
yeah. Difficult.
सबसे difficult चीज क्या होती है डब करने के लिए? कौन सा emotion सबसे difficult होता है?
ऐसे तो नहीं, I can say it like this, that there is a sequence where I have to talk in Mr. Bachchan's voice. Initially, I was very easy about it because I said that, you know, we'll get somebody to either dub it or I'll ask Mr. Bachchan to, you know, lend his voice, and it's a movie, so, you know. But then I said, you know, I'm doing so much, let me just try, you know, at least on the set when I'm acting,
Huh.
I should have his way of speaking. I can't have his bass and stuff, but I can at least have the expressions. So when he dubs it, it'll match. वो करते करते I got feedback that you know, I'm sounding pretty much like him.
Wow.
So that became a little a surprise, a happy learning that, you know, I've practiced it so much that I actually managed.
I watched that scene when I watched it, and we were on the set only, and I was just blown away. You have to watch out for that scene. I mean, it's very. I don't know, I feel very weird, you know, talking about some scenes to someone which you've not seen और ऐसा हो जाता है अच्छा खुद की तारीफ, but actually I was like wow. So you've got to watch it. Yeah.
Okay, so that
Very,
is
very
one
thankful. So
surprise.
that was tough. Dubbing artist के लिए it's tough when you have to take out somebody else's voice,
हाँ यार.
you know, and a voice that is so famous. So that was tough.
So I read an interview somewhere जहाँ पे राकेश जी said कि he is superstitious. Hrithik Roshan, Yami Gautam, are you superstitious about something? Dates, color.
Once in a while, I might do something that is on the lines of superstition, but in a very mild way.
Like?
But I don't think I am.
नहीं?
No, I don't think I am. Like for instance, you know, before we take a flight, there's a tradition in the family that before you take a flight, my grandmother used to feed us dahi and shakkar.
Shakkar.
Dahi and shakkar. Now, I'm not superstitious, but if I don't have the dahi and shakkar and exit my house, I'll stop. You know that I've not had it.
Dahi shakkar.
And I feel something bad will happen because I've not. So, you know, some places I am a little
You believe in
superstitious.
You would just.
I think because that's anchored.
गलत है इनमें?
That's anchored in me since my childhood. So, few things, but I'm not superstitious like this.
Otherwise, okay, Yami.
The only thing I think I've been a little superstitious about, even while signing the film, I didn't tell anybody, of course, except my mom and my family, that I've something like this, the talks are on. I'm a little superstitious about it. I think till the time things are not finalized as something as special as Kabil, I didn't tell anyone. So, yeah, till the time things
Actually
on paper, but
dotted
actually
lines.
on the
Allowed,
lighter
the
side,
small
yeah.
things.
But on lighter side, no. In fact, I've been one of those. I remember in college, वो काली बिल्ली रास्ता काट गई थी
हाँ.
किसी का. I said what? And everybody stopped. I said I'll just walk through.
Listen,
And
now a lot of people
I was
have
like,
Kali Billy at home as pets.
and I'm just saying, for example, the most common ones. So
Right.
I'm like, no, not
But
really.
we're not like the you know, if the day I wear a red T-shirt, something bad happens.
Yeah. No.
That is, I think, ridiculous.
Yeah, that's a bit much.
Yeah.
We wear red lipstick all the time. Yami, how was it to dance with Hrithik Roshan?
Oh, it was a journey, and
easy.
I think
It was very easy.
easy.
Come on.
It was so easy. I don't
Tell me
feel
more.
if
Nervous
you-
नहीं थी?
I was nervous to another level. I remember that first time when Rakesh had told me that ऐसा can you dance? I said yes sir. Tango? I said, no sir, but I'll learn. इसमें ऐसा गाना है, but it's very fast, and of course it's with Hrithik, and of course you're visually impaired. I just stood still. Then the no yes no came. I said, oh, Yes, sir. Of course. And oh, I can't tell you. I've had sleepless nights just thinking about it. क्या हो सकती है the choreography, or what should I do? How do I start? How do I start prepping up?
She took classes. You took classes.
I
and all,
took
no?
tango
For like a
classes. So
month.
I started taking tango classes for a month, and I knew someone, and I said, please,
मुझे सिखा दे यार.
मुझे please सिखा दो. And of course, she was more than happy when she got to know that it's Vidhi. She's like, and you know, actually, she's been one of the dancers in Dhoom 2.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So she's like, it's all the way. It's
Life came a full circle
yeah,
for her actually.
for her actually. So prepared, and of course, Ahmed sir.
But I think we were all both so happy with the choreography.
Yeah.
It was so real. It was still in character, and Ahmed did a fantastic
Yeah.
job. I remember there's this one shot where I spin her, and she is supposed to, because we are both blind, I spin her. I don't know her speed of turning, so there's like a you know, mistiming is what we have to achieve. And just naturally we were timing correctly. You know, it was just happening right all the time. So to make that mistake, we were actually like, you know, trying to make that mistake and make it like, make it perfectly and make it beautiful. And then finally we got the shot. We changed the angle. Let's take it from here. Let's take it from here. Let's take it from here. And finally there was this one shot where her hair fell in front of her face, and she has this, you know, this gleam in her eyes that she's made a mistake, but we are still hopeful that we can do this, because there are people who are watching. So it was beautiful.
It's an experience I'll always cherish, relish, and remember and treasure for life. Dancing, and you know, I used to hear it often. Never seen you dancing, and etc. etc. I made a debut with Hrithik Roshan.
और क्या चाहिए life में? Seriously, it's like in your face.
And मैं ये भी बोल दूं कि इस गाने में एक ऐसा step है where I have copied her, and she knows that. Because I told her that, Yami, what you're doing is looking better. You know, there's one step where it's in the promo also. There's one step, we are far away and we come towards the camera. And it's a sideways step which we do like this, and with the legs and the hands, and skip and come towards the camera. So that step, I have done exactly what she was doing on set, because it was looking better.
Guess
So
what? All
I
sleepless
rest my
nights.
case. Huh?
That's
Are like
Hrithik
Dhanya.
Roshan for you. He's
Happy.
just
No, fact
it's-
taking. True, na? Yeah, it's true.
That's because I have practiced so much, every possible thing.
बेचारी थी pressure में थी that she actually did everything.
But
for
let me tell
29.
you, and it's you know, we can just go on and on.
We're looking forward to this film all the more, but we're going to do fun stuff. Ab, okay, this is called क्या बात है. So I'm going to show you certain photographs, and you have to tell me क्या असल में क्या बात हो रही थी इसमें, ठीक है? We start with you, Yami. Okay, this is the first one.
Oh, that's
Tell
so
me क्या
cute.
बात है इसमें?
How sweet. What is
That's my sister and our pet.
this? How sweet.
Polo.
Where is this? In
That's
Chandigarh?
in Bombay.
Oh,
So
it's in
they'd
Bombay.
come here during
How
their
sweet.
vacations, and actually Polo's a photo bomber here. I clearly remember. My
Wow.
sister had just like arrived and he wanted to take some pictures, but he just photo bombed.
How sweet is
Yeah,
he?
he really photo
How
bombed.
sweet. What's his name? Polo.
Polo.
Polo. Wow, that's so cute. Polo. What breed is Polo?
He's a beagle.
Beagle. I love beagles. Okay. Number 2 is this one.
ये एक बहुत ही real expression है. ये moment बिल्कुल एकदम real है. True to life. We are absolutely terrified, but enjoying equally. You know,
Can you see
enjoying
it?
just as much.
That was the eye expression I was talking about.
Perfect, है ना?
Perfect. hai. It's so real, and that's
This is another special moment.
wow.
I think ये
that's-
मुहूर्त shot था.
इस दिन पर मैं नहीं था. I think the film started without me on the
Okay.
first day. And this is the sister whose
Sister.
voice I make in the film. So, oh, I'm not supposed to give that out. I see. Okay, so yeah, we were not there on this day. So you'll have to ask my dad,
Your dad.
and her what
But
they
your
were
dad
talking
has
about.
been your mentor, huh?
Huh? Yeah,
Always.
Of course.
Someone whom you always look up to.
Of course, yeah.
And tell me something, उन्होंने decide कैसे किया कि they will be a part of this? The whole family. How Rakesh ji wants to produce this film.
Well, when he read the script, that's it. He read the script and he said that it's mind-blowing, we should do this.
Superb. That also took 5 seconds.
5 seconds, yeah.
Okay. Another one. The family photo.
Oh,
sweet.
okay.
Which was
sweet.
Well, this is us uncovering Rehan from the sand because he had this idea that I want to get covered completely by sand. So he has had all of us, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of us, have covered him up completely except his eyes and nose and the mouth. So
Oh my God.
breathing like this through the sand. And this is the moment where he has risen from
The sand.
being
Happy
buried in the sand. And you can see his expression. He's achieved victory.
So cute. Okay, another one.
Oh, this is us skiing. One of the moments, high points in my life.
Matlab, they learnt it faster than you did. Am I right?
Yeah, क्या है ना कि my excuse is that उनकी जो center of gravity है, वो इतनी low है. You know, their center of gravity is so low that they don't topple only.
Come on.
Yeah, they're so, you know, so when they are standing like this, the two skis are there. You push them also, they don't fall.
That's really.
Now I'm like, oh God, you know, gotta be like I'm
that
trying to
true?
balance myself. Yeah,
That's
yeah,
true, right?
yeah, it's true.
That's
But I
his
mean, of course, they have to be
explanation.
good at it.
So,
ये मेरा excuse है ये मेरा.
Excuse it.
But it's a
should
valid
remember
excuse.
this.
And the last one.
Can you recognize me? By
Yeah,
any
I think
chance?
Ritik find out where is Yami usme.
That's the goofy, geeky, studious me. Yes.
That's you, no?
Yes,
Yeah.
with braces and that was a time when I felt I'm the prettiest girl with bushy eyebrows and braces,
Huh.
a flashy smile, literally, and yeah, that's.
Your thoughts were right at that time.
I like this. सही बोल रही थी तू
Thoughts
यार.
were right. You thought you were the prettiest girl. You
Yeah.
are the prettiest girl over here.
Look at my bushy eyebrows and my
Yeah, your
braces.
bushy eyebrows and your
Braces.
your braces. Still, you're pretty. It's beautiful.
I'm going to give you guys this because you performed really well.
Wow.
There you go. This is
Thank
for Yami.
you.
And
How
that's for you,
sweet.
Ritik.
Oh, sweet. Thank you very much.
So sweet.
Gifts.
Gifts,
What
yes,
up?
gifts galore because you make us really happy.
Thank
Sweet.
Okay,
you.
Thank you.
now another segment. Sangeeta wants to know. There are a lot of things that I want
What
to
do
know.
you want to know,
Yeah,
Sangeeta?
lots of things.
Sangeeta.
Yeah. First, how often does Hrithik Roshan party at his house?
Every day I party. Every day is a party for me.
Wow, this is so cool because I read somewhere that you like partying, you like inviting people home and all of that, and your house looks fab. The pictures
Thank you.
we've seen, dude, it's like crazy. Okay, is it true that Hrithik Roshan?
When I say party, I mean I have a good time. That can be by myself also.
Gee, yeah, मेरे को लगा full on ditchik party Hrithik does, yeah. You just like spoiled it for me. Okay, how many samosas can Hrithik Roshan eat at a time?
25.
You're kidding me? किया है कभी life में? 25?
Okay, किया मैंने कितने हैं? Let's see. Whenever I go to PVR and I'm watching a film,
हाँ.
I start with 4 samosas and there's 2 in each. So that's 8 samosas. That's what I sit with.
How can that be possible? Where does it go?
Wow.
Inside me.
That was my past.
Yeah. 8 samosas. I sit with 8 samosas. That's where I start from. Uske baad, it depends on how good or bad the film is.
Okay. Now you need to tell me, Yami, you are from the north, okay?
Yes.
So what is the food that you crave to eat, yaar? मतलब एक चीज that you can break any diet in the world for.
Rice. Anything with rice. Rice rajma, rice,
The
anything
most
with rice.
Satisfying. No, it is.
Yeah, rice.
Rice,
Even
huh?
if it's like
It's the
yellow
most
dal.
satisfying carbs in the
Yeah,
world.
rice with some lemon and some onions. I love my comfort food. That's comfort food for me. Anything home cooked and with rice.
यार चंबा का राजमा क्या होता है?
Yes,
वो
चंबा
please
का
बता
राजमा is
दो।
coming to that.
मैं तब से वही सोच रही थी ये चंबा का राजमा के normal
Chamba ka
खाया मैंने।
rajma is from Chamba, of course, and it's a little different from the normal rajma we have. It's smeared in ghee and yogurt and spices, Pahadi spices, and it's a very rare dish which I wish to learn someday soon from my mother.
Chamba ka
It's
rajma.
amazing.
Chamba ka
Yeah, it's
rajma, yaar.
amazing. It's dry. It's a little dry.
So you have it with the rice,
With
but it's
rice.
dry.
It's dry. It has a little, of course, yogurt and
Okay.
all, but it's not as. It doesn't have that kind of a gravy which a normal rajma has.
लोग ना Google करने वाले
Must
how to
try,
make
must try.
चंबा का
amazing.
Since I'm
rajma.
such a foodaholic, I must try
It's
this.
amazing.
Name any of the friends who are there on your speed dial.
I have my family on my speed dial.
Yummy.
I just realized, might call me little Lallu, but I have never made any speed dial list. I just call.
क्या?
I told you.
Address पे?
I have come from literally some different
Yeah.
planet.
It's good. Don't,
Actually,
don't
once
ask
I was
me.
asked also, who's on your speed dial? I said,
Let people call you.
Speed dial, let me add.
Forget it.
I know
move on.
I'm but there's nobody on our speed dial.
And last, WhatsApp groups. Do you have WhatsApp groups? Are you active on WhatsApp, Ritik?
There's
Yeah, yeah.
Kabil Digital, Kabil Core Group, Kabil this group, there are all
Kabil
these groups.
styling, Kabil
Yeah.
makeup, Kabil this, Kabil that. But yeah.
And I hope you love this. This
Wow,
is another
he's
gift for you.
spoiling us with gifts. I don't like gifts,
How are we getting
guys.
so many gifts?
Come on. Come on.
Oh, don't
From
embarrass
us.
me. I
All
don't
the best.
like-
This
I
is
don't
all our
like it.
wishes, and we hope Kabil
How
does really, really
sweet.
well.
Thank you, yeah.
We
Oh,
don't
there's
like
more,
gifts, yeah. So don't embarrass.
Why? Come
Don't-
on.
And don't lie.
I'm being ironical. You should have seen my face. Oh
like,
my
"No,
God,
yeah,
don't do
I
this.
don't want it."
Don't
There you
do
go.
this.
More
please.
gifts.
Yes.
Don't do
तो
this.
चलो दे दो और क्या है?
और इतने और बस मैं हूँ
बस,
ये
हो
कहने
गया।
के लिए
Only so
Ah,
much.
great.
अरे
thank you
सूटकेस लाओ.
That's
but thank you Ritik, thank you Yami,
Thank you,
and
Sangeeta.
Thank
I
you.
had a super time chatting with you guys. All the best for Kabil.
Sangeeta.
Thank you very
Thank you.
Wow, I am glad she remembers that. But hey, that was Ritik and Yami. मुझे बहुत मजा आया. Of course, next episode और भी धमाल करेंगे और भी बातें करेंगे on यार मेरा superstar on Zoom. Turn on.